Hello student, welcome once again here. Once again, so I'm telling you since I am here, so Rajesh, and just speaking about the how the boilers and egg layers are so produced and the productions can take. So it's a good quality of the boilers. Boilers is used for the chicken purpose point and view. So better chickens required for these boilers and the boilers and the egg layers have a different nutritive values. It's contains the boilers contains needs more vitamins especially A and K required for these one boilers. And in case of we are discussing about if we are talking about the boilers, it needs proteins rich fats and rich vitamin A and K that's required for boiler for better productions and better quality productions and their featherings. And these featherings have a rich nutritive proteins and have a different variety of the disease that affect these boilers. So proper caring and sanitations, vaccinations, and also proper shelters. Shelters have such way and the cleanliness of the shelters is required for these one boilers and the egg layers. So different ways and a different process is available here. So one by one we will discuss here a systematic way so that you can understood why, how, and which way we can produce the boilers and egg layers. So okay, so here we will discuss about boilers and the egg layers. So first of all, we will write here egg and boilers productions. Okay, egg and boiler production. Egg and boiler productions. Okay, so boiler chickens are with boiler chickens boiler chickens are fed with fed with rich vitamins, proteins, and fats, with rich vitamins, proteins, and fats, and rich vitamins, proteins, and the fats, and the boilers and the egg layers have different nutritive. Both have different nutritive fats. Okay, different nutritive fats. So boilers and chickens have different nutritive fats and the required environments. Okay, required environment, temperature. So environment temperatures different temperatures and environment is requires, and that's why we can taken avoid mortality to care is taken to avoid mortality and to maintain the feathering and the carapace. Care is taken to avoid mortality and feathering carapaces is required, is done well, and get sent in the markets. So these are the sums of process. So vitamins A and K, vitamin A and K, rich nutritive proteins is nutritive feeds is to be given these boilers and boilers. So maintenance of the shelters. How we will maintain the maintenance of the shelters? Maintenance of the shelter. How we will maintain the shelters? Shelter management is required for the process for the maintenance shelters. Proper cleanliness situations for the shelters. It requires proper cleanliness and Sanitation, sanitation, proper cleanliness, sanitations, temperatures and the hygienes, temperature, hygienes, cleanliness, shelters, temperatures, hygienes, and the proper ventilations, proper ventilation, sanitations, hygienes, proper ventilations, and the prevention and control of the disease. Prevention and control of the disease is required for the maintenance of the wild shelters. So poultry disease and their prevention. Some there are a lot of poultry diseases is going on here in our environment. So poultry disease and control. Poultry disease. So, but we already discussed that there are a lot of poultry diseases available in our environments, in a poultry farm surrounding this, because because of this we have to know about the different types of the poultry disease. So poultry disease is caused by the bacterial disease, viral disease, bacterial disease, viral disease, fungi and parasites, fungal and parasitic disease is here infected to our poultry farming. So sufficient nutritive deficiency also cause the poultry farming. So nutritive deficiency also called the poultry farming. So it create a problems for the poultry farming. So first of all, so we have to know about the poultry farms, and it's so this disease can be prevented by this disease can be prevented by providing some nutritive diets, providing nutritive diets. First, provide nutritive diets. Okay, so if you provide the nutritive diets, it will maintain a good proper cleanliness and sanitations, sanitation. Okay, proper cleanliness, sanitations is required for this one things in shelters, vaccinations of poultry birds. Okay, vaccination of poultry bird. After vaccinations of poultry birds, spraying of the disinfectants, spraying of disinfectants. Okay, after each interval of times, interval of times, if we spraying disinfectants in each interval of times, it provide better health for the productions of the poultry farmings. These are the special of the poultry farmings that that we will do, especially in a poultry farming, so that's we can produce more and better boilers and egg layers. Okay, so different disease we are discussing here, how many types of disease, how we will maintain the cleanliness is required for this poultry farming. Okay, so I hope that you had understood whatever I'm telling you. So next time, so we will discuss another issues of the another cultures. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.